Glassing with Grizzly. Okay, I don't normally say this, but you may want to save this video. Sure, the engagement helps the channel, but more importantly, we're going over 3 great tips when it comes to soldering stained glass that I truly think can be really helpful for new artists. Some may be rapid fire, some may not even make sense, but that's cool too, because we're already making stained glass. So let's dive in. Tip number 1, put a towel down when soldering the second side of the sun catcher. I'm not talking brown chicken, brown cow. Get your head out of the gutter. I don't know the science behind this. I don't even know if it really makes sense. But I swear there is something to this. When you solder the first side, the sun catcher is flush on the counter. But when you solder the second side, the sun catcher is no longer flush because the solder lines are touching the surface. But if you lay the sun catcher on a towel, now there's insulation filling all those empty spaces. I don't know exactly how or why, but it extends the time between soldering and having blowouts where the solder melts through the bottom. And that sucks. Tip number 2, just solder one section at a time, starting at one intersection and going to the next. Even if it's a long straight line, just chop it up based on intersections. This helps me get cleaner lines because I'm stopping more frequently. Plus, it's kind of a cool brain trick where you're not overwhelmed about getting a long line perfect all in one shot. It is way more manageable when you do it in sections. And lastly, tip number 3. You'll see me doing this a lot in my soldering videos, but I like to preload just a pinch, just a little bit of solder when going back over solder lines to clean them up. The reason for this is soldering tips like to hold on to the solder. It's just what they do. If you don't preload the tip, every time you start going over a solder line, the tip will naturally pull solder from the start of that line, causing unevenness between your lines when looking at the start versus the end. But if you preload it, it doesn't have any reason to steal solder from the line, and you can just focus on making slow and smooth motions to clean them up. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tap the follow button if you enjoy having a 3-minute show on weekdays to sit back, relax, and watch stained glass come to life, one process at a time.